As someone who's always enjoyed hiking and the occasional camping trip, I'd become curious about what it would be like to do an intense multi-day trek during my travels. While visiting Cusco, Peru, I decided to sign up for a 5-day, 5-night Salkantay Trek to Machu Picchu. The Salkantay Trek is an alternative to the traditional Inka Trail that's known for being a bit tougher physically, more remote, and less crowded. It's also cheaper and can be booked at the last minute, which fits my travel style perfectly. In this vlog series, I'll be taking you along on what can easily be called one of the greatest adventures of my travels to date. You'll trek with me, eat with me, get soaked in the rain with me, and see what it's like to set sight on Machu Picchu for the first time. I hope you brought a good pair of hiking shoes with you. Last night we had a chance to shower for the first time, so we all got like nice and clean. And then they actually had like a jacuzzi at this one. So after we're all like clean, we got in the jacuzzi, everyone had like some drinks, and then we had dinner. And it was just like a really nice way to relax when your muscles are so sore and tense. But yeah, we're back at it again today. Today will be a much shorter day though. Our first day was like the most intense, they said. Then yesterday, day 2, was the longest, and then day 3 is kind of like a chill day. We're still gonna be walking quite a bit, but like less than the last 2 days. And we have, I think like a coffee farm visit later today, so that's exciting. There is like one part I'm a little nervous though about today, and it's like this landslide area that happened about 10 days ago, and they haven't had a chance to like clear a road through it, so there's just a little footpath. But supposedly it's like 100 yards on the side of a cliff with loose dirt, and I'm just freaking out a little bit thinking about it. So yeah, every day we pack up our gear that we send with either the horses or the porters in the green duffel bags, and then anything that we're going to need with us during the day on the trek is in the day pack. And then we have these trekking poles, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Got like some water, sunscreen, raincoat in here, all the rain gear, snacks, that type of stuff.
That one used to be a huge bridge, but they were planning to make a really big bridge to make cross the cars, the vans, and they took on those truckboats. So, but over there too, we're going to see the basket, cable baskets to cross. People use that a lot here because usually the water, the river grows and move or remove the lands or remove the bridge around.
Rob, what are we gonna do?
Maybe we go on the bridge.
I'll just
and
go like this along the top. Tomorrow we can reel you back in. You have water.
Yeah.
We'll send you food.
Yeah, just let me be with my bridge basket people.
Hey guys, if somebody needs to use the facility, there is, yeah, $1 you need to pay to the local owner here. That one is free, but it's a little bit so that one is
For $1? Yeah,
Yep.
you're worth it.
Worth it.
You first, and after you can pay. We're gonna take a break here. There are some Mac if you want to rest for 10 minutes, yeah?
Hola. Ooh, some cake in here.
You can,
Hi, puppy dog.
Hola, perrito.
Smile, Rob. You are so in trouble with your mom. You're so in trouble with your mom.
see. Siempre.
This is crazy. Okay, a close up of this. So Rob is getting in.
This is pretty heavy
cart.
without me in it. How are they gonna pull me across with me in it?
What are you gonna do?
Rob's wife here. Newly married.
Do you have all your documents, yeah? Did something happen? Yeah.
Yeah, is the will taken care of? No.
Don't move,
Jesus
yeah?
Christ.
Keep the balance in the middle.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
No way, no way.
Molly, how much do you love your boy?
pull your husband
to
back.
bring back? Are you ready, Alison?
No, I'm not. Rope's looking a little frayed, you know? Woo! That's some amusement park ride. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on. One.
Oh, that was.
That's mine. I'm sorry, Enrique, you're really fast on the way down. So
I don't know if we're gonna be really fast on the way.
Yeah, no.
I don't know about anything is going to be really fast. Up, down, sideways.
Yeah, fair.
guys,
Okay, I put this away.
you want to hiking forwards?
We just passed the landslide. We're done. No more, nothing to worry about. Yes. Okay, sweet. Now we can move on. Okay. I can enjoy the rest of the day now.
Okay, good. We're good.
The word for I survived. Sobreviví.
Sobre?
Sobreviví.
Sobreviví.
Viví.
Oh, vivi?
Sí.
Sobreviví.
Sobreviví.
Sobreviví. Sobreviví.
Other kind of trade, more simple, maybe like the trade that we took in the middle of the
Inka Trail's pretty wide and fancy compared to Salkantay. It's kind of cushy.
So maybe you stay another week and go on Inka Trail.
Do some basket cart rides. Hola.
Hola mami, buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Qué tal, mami? Bien, mami, bien.
¿Y cuál
mamá.
es tu nombre?
Paulina.
Paulina.
Sí, mami,
Alison.
Paulina. Ah, qué bien. Está bien, mami.
Gracias.
Oh, wash your hands over here. We just arrived at a coffee plantation place, and we're gonna have a little coffee workshop here where we learn about the coffee and prepare some and hopefully get to drink it. I'm sure we will. And then our chefs are here, so they're also preparing lunch when we're done. So it's like a nice chill day today where we get to relax our feet a bit and yeah, enjoy some fresh coffee. What type of juice is it?
Maracuya.
Maracuya. Mmm. It's like kind of warm.
Cheer in Spanish, how they do in Chile. Come up here together. Por arriba, por arriba, por arriba. And then you go por abajo, por abajo.
Al
Al centro, pa dentro. Cheers.
Yeah.
Here's a coffee plant over here. I had never seen a coffee plant before.
When they are red, they need to use a grinder. Yeah, grinder. To clean the skin off or to take out the skin like this. Yeah, canalla. No? You know what means canalla, Mari?
Mami.
Canalla. Not canela, canalla. Sorry, Molly.
I know they're burning. Oh,
No, it's good that you started because then you can
Sarah, go ahead.
yeah.
Rub.
rub.
Your turn. And
job.
after Eugene, and after Marie, and after Alison too, yeah?
Oh man.
Yeah.
It's not the smoothest surface.
Oh, it's lost one.
Like lower
Oh god,
angle.
it's hot.
Lower angle like this. Yeah, in that one. Yeah, there is.
Hey now.
Yeah, that is easier. Keep a distance.
I don't know.
It's good. It looks good. Because when you do like this, it's not fair.
Not
There.
close.
Not close. Oh, bravo.
But look how it changed, huh?
Yeah, it tastes really fast.
Because I guess the sugar also gets a different the heat of it. Yeah, and yeah, it's like a coat. You know, it's very hot. Oh wow, wow. Ya está vendido.
Okay, This is the Salkantay mountain.
Yeah, Salkantay.
Banana for scale.
We have fried yuca, avocado, and some coffee with a spoonful of sugar. You said this is like a breakfast?
Traditional breakfast around here. Yeah. Always yuca, avocado.
Good breakfast, yeah.
Better than what I eat for breakfast most of the time.
Ella quiere hacer galletas.
Let's get the process.
¿Es posible?
Robert, you're getting the big one. Oh,
I know there's such a theme.
grande.
So if the meat is bad, we know who to blame.
Man, he's gonna do a great job. I have no doubt.
Yeah, look, that's.
Well, sideways cutting one.
Yeah, it have to be like a little long shapes with 2 centimeters.
We have salt,
Yes.
a mixture of cumin and pepper, ginger, garlic, tomato, purple onion,
That's it.
cilantro, bell pepper. What's this again?
Peruvian
Oh,
pepper,
Peruvian
yellow
pepper.
pepper, we say. Ají
Okay.
amarillo in Spanish.
Soy sauce, I think.
Grating the garlic and the ginger.
Oh,
Espera, esto. ¿Quién va a poner?
okay. Someone else?
Mira,
You're good.
Sí,
Just half a spoon. Gray, half a spoon.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Sí.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Man, look at French cooking. Small bit. Oh!
French cookies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, close.
Watch
Come
out.
around, everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody there. Say, Lamacitas! Lomo saltado es rico!
Lomo saltado es rico.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah, you guys can put the guac down here, you know.
No,
Hey
no,
guys, siéntate. We want to come forward
Wow,
with your
gracias.
Put this on down here right now, so.
Here is.
How cute are those? Oh, do you want me to move
No,
that?
they're just gonna pop a little.
Yeah, exactly.
And he said, caminando, and I said, sí.
That part I understood.
Qué bueno.
Oh, a little shelter. No way. Whoa. Hola.
When we are crossing, we say move to one side to the other side.
So Machu Picchu is somewhere out there. Hopefully, somewhere out in the mist. He could totally be lying to us.
It's a little higher, you can see it from
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
We're not falling for that.
What did it say? What was Machu Picchu?
We're almost to our camp for night 3, and it's raining on us like crazy. And there's supposed to be a view of Machu Picchu back here, but too much fog today.
So in terms of this place, probably this was an important place too. For one reason, the double jump who has the doorway there. Yeah, that is a sign usually for important places.
Sauna.
My goodness. Yes.
Bravo, bravo.
Bravo. Bravo.
¿Cómo está el camino? Sige, pamaraman. Sige,
Bravo.
I can't wait. I
Oh,
hope
it's gonna be a
clear
great
tomorrow. Open the
view.
tent and just be like, oh, Machu Picchu.
I love how our doors are like set up for the view, you know?
No, it's like they know.
Yeah, they know. So it's right there, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
The books around to here.
Gracias. Woo. Machu Picchu to the left.